Okay, so we have been learning about nonfiction poetry this week, and we've learned that nonfiction poetry is real life events from people's lives or about real things. And so in My Name is Gabriella, we learned about a girl and real life events that happened to her and what she wanted to do with her life. So today we're going to be reading poems about different animals, and we are going to find out what we can learn about these different animals. So today, for this recording, you're going to be listening to a poem about polliwogs. So I'm going to read it to you, and you need to be listening for things that polliwogs do, so you'll be able to write them down on our anchor chart. The polliwogs. We pollywoggle. We pollywoggle. We shake in lakes. We wakes and wriggle. We quiver. We shiver. We jiggle. We jog. We're yearning to turn ourselves into a frog. So again, make sure that you're listening for facts about polywoggles that you can write down on our anchor chart. I'm going to read pollywogs one more time so you can learn something. The pollywogs. We pollywoggle, we pollywiggle, we shake in lakes, make wakes and wriggle, we quiver, we shiver, we jiggle, we jog, we're yearnings to turn into frogs. Okay, so now that you have listened to the poem, you are going to write what you learned on the anchor chart, and then you will be done.